Wednesday, August 15th on Velocity. There's only one place.
This is my kind of car.
Where experts and owners face off.
Mind if I take it out?
To find out what their coveted classic is really worth.
It was owned by Sammy Davis Jr.
That's impressive.
And this season, there's even more muscle cars and exotic icons.
I'm so glad you brought it to the show. Every collection needs something with Holmes on it.
Catch an all-new season of What's My Car Worth with back-to-back episodes Wednesday, August 15th and 8th, only on Velocity.